welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are doing another quick and easy tutorial on how to make calla lilies. They're really quite simple, and I'm excited to show you this. So let's get started.
You don't need very much equipment. All you need is some fondant and a heart-shaped cutter. I think almost everyone who bakes has a heart cutter. But before we get to the lily, we'll make some stamens for the flowers. I roll out a log of flesh-colored fondant and cut them into regular lengths. Honestly, I could have made them smaller and thinner. It would have looked a bit better, but these did the job. Next, I roll out the white fondant and cut out some hearts. I place the stamen in the center of the heart and roll the round parts of the heart around the stamen. I'll show that again. I place a stamen in the center of the heart and roll the round parts of the heart around the stamen. Pinch the bottom slightly and the lily is finished. You can also make the flower multicolored if you want. Here's one way to do it. I glued some colored fondant onto one side of the white and rolled it out together. I'm not marbling it, just rolling the two colors out next to each other. Then I use my heart cutters to cut out some of the white and the color. After that, I make them the same way as the white lilies. I think these fondant flowers look very similar to lilies. They would look amazing on a wedding cake. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today and it helps you make fondant lilies for your project. See you again next time. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.